Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change video format in CapCut PC. So here I've already added a video to my CapCut, and as you can see, the video is like there's a background on the video because the format is not matched with the size of the video. So you can always change your video format by clicking on this. So if you click on this, the options to change the video format will be appear. So there are so many options that you can choose, or you can also customize your own video format. Just click on this. For example, you want to change it into uh like this, and just click on save, and it will be changed accordingly. But if you want to just choose, for example, you want to just use the original, you can choose this original, or you can also choose other video format in here. So you can choose easily, and you can just choose the one that fits your video the best. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can change a video format in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.